India's Defence Research and Development Organization has unveiled the D4 Drone Detect, Deter and Destroy Anti-Drone System, designed to detect and neutralize rogue unmanned aerial vehicles with precision. The U.S. Army has announced successful test of its next-generation precision strike missile. The missile traveled over Pacific Ocean and completed flight with nominal performance across all parameters, validating system's trajectory stability and range expectations. Taiwan has begun showcasing artillery exercises in urban areas. According to reports, Taiwanese forces established command and communication post at the site and conducted simulated fire missions aimed toward the coastal area. According to information published by Delphi News website, the transfer of Swedish ASC-890 airborne early warning and control aircraft to Ukraine is progressing as planned. Equipped with ARI radar, it can detect and track both aerial and maritime targets simultaneously at ranges of up to 400 kilometers.